shave of the day for today. It's April 7th, 2018. And I did want to say thank you for joining me for the shave today. Definitely do appreciate it. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm not doing too bad myself here. You know, it's a Saturday morning. Definitely need to shave here. It's been like 6 days since I shaved. I just had a real crazy week. My wife just got a car. Had it for about 4 days. And on the way home the other day, she hit a huge rock. Totally split the rim. Tire busted. Yeah, so we had to go and get that all fixed. It has like a broken control arm and all this stuff, so we're trying to get that fixed next week. So that was pretty much occupied my whole week, getting like tire ordered and all that stuff. It was a real mess, but hey, got through it. Ready for the weekend shave. Okay, so to get started here, I did want to go through some of the equipment they'll be using for the shave today. The hardware side, the razor I'm going to be using, since I have 6 days worth of growth, it's pretty tough. Need something to get through it. I'm going to use the Gillette old type. I find this to be really good for a lot of growth here. I don't know about the blade. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work, I can get another one. But I have a Derby in here, third use, I believe. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I love this old type. It's really nice. This is actually good condition too. There's no cracks in this handle. Usually I see it right on the barrel here or up in here, but nothing. And yeah, it's a real good shaver here. I like it for a lot of growth. So here we go. There's the razor. Okay, the soap and brush here, the brush hardware side. I have my Haircut and Shave Co. Barber pull handle with this 26mm Tuxedo. It's got the longer handle. I just sent one of these to Flashboard. I'm glad to see that it got to him. I meant to send it to him earlier, but again, you know, it's hard to get to the post office sometimes after work. They close so dang early. But yeah, I figured I'd use this. It's pretty good there. I like nice little lower set loft. The soap I have in here is actually a sample sent to me a while ago by Billy Curtis, aka Blind Man Shaves, which unfortunately looks like he deleted his channel. So that really stinks. But, you know, hopefully, whatever his issue was, I think he was having some issues with somebody. I'm not sure. Just kind of hearing secondhand. Maybe he'll come back someday. But, yep, definitely look forward to it, though. It's orange and patchouli from OSP. So, yeah, it smells really great. So that's what it looks like here. Just whipped up in this Crown King Travel Scuttle. I got some hot water in here. So it's looking pretty good. So I'll just leave it down in there, let it stay warm. Okay, aftershave I'm going to be using. I figure since it's kind of a citrus scent, I'll go with Old Spice. That's probably the most citrusy thing I have. I really want to get Old Spice Wolfthorn. It's supposed to be more orangey kind of citrus. So until I get that, I'll stick with Old Spice. And I figured after that, well, before the aftershave, we'll go for Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel and Nivea Men's Sensitive Cooling Post Shave Balm. Okay, so kind of the standard equipment here. Okay, so that takes, so that's the hardware and the software, so we can go ahead and get this shave started. So let's go ahead and rock this shave out. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, so I'm just going to get right into it. I'll bring this right to the face, start building up a lather here. Yeah, Flash really seemed to like the brush that I got, so I'm glad he enjoys it. It's definitely a nice brush. I really like it. The only thing I don't like is the lather tends to go down towards the bottom, but it's not a huge deal, to be honest with you. Try to work it in, get under those hairs. Definitely whipped, the lather's whipped up pretty fine now, but try to get it under the hairs and everything just to make it as good as I can. I'll probably live with that. That's looking pretty good to me. Okay. Okay, so first pass with the grain. That's going down for me here. So, yeah, the blade's not great, but I can get through this shave with it. It's not so bad. It's a little tuggy. I'm just putting that down though to be it being a derby, and it's got 3 days, or this will be its 3rd use, so they're not the greatest blades for me, but the first couple shaves were okay. I'll have to toss it after this one though. It's not feeling good anymore. And I actually do have a lot of derbies. I think I got a cheap razor that came with like 20 derby blades, so I was like, ugh. Yeah, so far, so good though. Not too bad here. Oof. Yeah. Get nice close shave here already, I can tell you. It's good to get this hair off your face. I really wanted to get it, but you know, last night I went to a baseball game. My brother got tickets from my cousin. Went and saw the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders as their opening day. And they won right at the end. What a great game. It was 5-1 going in the 9th. They got a couple guys in. And on the last guy was 3-2, 2 outs. It's the last batter. 5-3, 2 men on base. Hits a home run in the 3-2. Boom. Ends the game. It was nuts. Good way to end the game. Because up to the 9th inning, it wasn't that interesting. You know, it's 5-1 since the 2nd inning. But yeah, fun. You know, my brother and I went up. We met my cousin up there too. He works not too far away from the stadium. So we all had a good time. Okay, so that's a good first pass. We'll go back for pass 2 now. Just maybe rub this around the bowl a little bit more. Get some of that warm lather that's sitting on the bottom. Maybe a smidge more water. Just rub it around it here again. Yeah, this OSP is really good stuff. You can probably get it mailed to the US because James, the owner, he's out of London, England. But man, great stuff. I really like it. Okay, so second pass here across. They're going to probably move from the nose out. Yeah, I'm telling you, if you don't have a Gillette old type, go online and get one. They are great. I really like them. They're good, aggressive, in my mind, vintage razor that are pretty easy to find. Again, sorry for getting all up in the grill and the camera there, but Just the way the tripod sits, it's inevitable. Kind of weird with my earrings. Just live with it. Yeah, looking pretty even enough. I can't. My right eye's bad. I can't really get a good judge on my right side. Okay, good second pass there. Just again swirling around in the scuttle there just to get some more lather up. Yep, nice. Okay, good enough for me there. Third pass against the grain. It's the tougher part here with this derby. This is my tough hair. Right here on the chin is real tough for me. Okay. Yep, really scraping some toast now. Okay, it's pretty good there. I'm just gonna put a little more on, do some pickups if I need to. A little more water here. Okay, so just feel around, see if I missed any. Yeah, I'm pretty good here. Yeah, yeah. Maybe right here a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. I think everywhere else felt pretty good. Just gonna wipe this off here. Okay, just put a little cold water in the face then. That's feeling pretty good. Okay, throw in some of this Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel. I just seem to like this a little more than alum. Alum really drives me out. A little more. Okay, very nice. Okay, and then while that's drying down, just go through again what we used for the shave. So the razor, the Gillette old type, I believe this is a 1921 with the derby blade, which third use on it. Let me take that apart here. Put that away, that's done. Yeah, but here's the, you can see now, it's not going to come in too well. See right there, they see the little markings. It's like the code that they can tell. Yeah, I'm using front facing camera, so it doesn't want to. But again, the brush was the Haircut and Shave Co. Barber pole handle, just 26mm Tuxedo style knot. The long barber pole handle, definitely like this. Soap OSP Orange and Patchouli. Beautiful scent, really like that a lot. This scuttle, the Crown King Travel Scuttle, did a very nice job there. Okay, so we're going to use the Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel. And now we'll go ahead and put on some of the Old Spice. Good stuff here. Definitely like this stuff a lot. Put a little more than I wanted in my hand. Oh well. Hey, I got 4 more bottles of the Family Dollar one. Okay, so we'll put that on. The next we'll put on the Nivea Men Sensitive Cooling Post Shave Balm. I think I put a little too much in my hand there too, geez. Can't win today. Very nice. Okay, and that concludes the shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thank you for checking out the video. Definitely do appreciate it. Please like and comment below. You know, if you can't do a comment, leave a thumbs up. Either one's appreciated. But, you know, try to do one. And don't forget to subscribe. You can do that below. Definitely much appreciated. New subscriptions. I definitely received quite a few more actually over the past week or so. So I did want to say thanks to all the new subscribers. So thank you for that. And again, I did want to say thank you for checking out the video. Hope you have a great day and hope you have some great shaves.